I so love this new Paradise Deluxe camper van. It feels so spacious, it's a real TARDIS. It's under 5.4 meters long, but look at the space you've got inside. I can come and sit down here in this relaxing lounge area. All the seats will turn and face me. You can seat 5 or maybe even 6 people for dinner here. And here in the back, what a superb kitchen area there is. This is a popular choice for people downsizing from a big bulky caravan or a big white block of flats coach-built motorhome, because it gives you those separate areas. There's the cab area, there's the lounge area, and there's this superb kitchenette area. Hi there, I'm Daniel from Sussex Campervans, and I'm so excited today to be showing you our new Paradise Deluxe campervan. You know, everyone I've shown this kitchenette to has really loved it. There's just so much space compared to an ordinary camper van. Look at this, a full featured cooker, 2 burner gas hob here, proper grill cavity, and a proper gas oven. Behind the cooker here, look, there's worktop that runs right through, and behind the sink as well, a big chunk of worktop on the end, perhaps to put that big bowl of salad you've just prepared. There's lots of space. Look at this, a triple socket and then USB charging point that pops up in the corner. Everything all folds away when not in use. You can really cook up a good spread in here. On the other side, we've got a proper 50-litre compressor-based fridge, just like your fridge freezer at home, with a really good freezing compartment too for chalk ices and ice cubes for the G&T. Look at this, a hot point microwave. There's lots of ways to cook in here. There's lots of ways to relax in here, different spaces. Look at all this storage. I've really tried to squeeze in the most cupboards you can possibly imagine. Pots and pans under here. A nice tall cupboard. Think about things like trays. Oh, look at that. A leg for the table. Lots of big things, tall things will fit in there. An area for cutlery and somewhere for crockery. Areas to put food in. Look at this. How about a spice cupboard for condiments and sauces? Those small things that in some vehicles end up rattling around. This seat at the back is ideal to sit when you're getting ready and you want to file your toenails or sort your socks or your tights out or put your walking boots on. Now, another common request is, could I have a fixed toilet? People like it to be available night and day with minimum fuss. And in the Paradise Deluxe, we've built that in. So under this seat is a full fixed electric flush toilet. Let me show you. The seat cushion just lifts off and there's the toilet. Ready for use anytime, day or night. Won't give you a full demo. And it flushes at the touch of a button. Just like that, with water from the onboard tank. Let me show you how the toilet works. Inside this little door at the back of the vehicle is a pipe here to fill up with water. And when the toilet's full, you simply slide out this cartridge here and take it to empty. Clean and simple. The drinking water is stored at the back as well. In this cupboard here is a 25-litre roll-out tank, which you simply pop out, fill up at any tap, and slide back into the cupboard. It's that simple. More storage as well, place for handy camping things at the back here. Can't have too much storage. We do try and squeeze out every last bit actually. You'll notice all our cupboards are scribed back to the walls. There aren't backs on them with big voids. It's all maximised so that you don't waste a square inch of space if at all possible. This is our custom stainless steel control panel. You can turn the gas on and off here. It's all stored in a tank under the vehicle. No bottles to mess about with. Just fill it up at the filling station. You can see how much gas you've got. Thermostatic gas blown air heating. Just turn it on here. It clicks into action. Set the temperature you want on this thermostatic knob. Really, really easy. No fuses. It's circuit breakers. So if one goes, pop it back in. No fiddling around looking for fuses. 4 separate lighting circuits. Lots of choice of bright light, ambient light, romantic light. Isolator for the fridge, isolator for the water pump. You can check how your batteries are doing. Check the vehicle battery isn't going flat. We're on 12.5 volts, that's pretty good. And the leisure battery that powers the accessories in the back, that's sitting on 12.8. And that, of course, is a bit higher because we're in sunshine and this vehicle comes with a solar panel as well. On the end here, dual USB charging points here and the old school 12-volt cigarette lighter plug as well. And they're replicated along with the 240-volt socket in the lounge area too. So there's no shortage of places to plug in your iPad or your iPhone, your laptop to charge up. I know, camping's about getting away from it all, but sometimes you just need that connectivity, don't you? We've kind of come to expect it. We build the Paradise Deluxe on the award-winning Renault Traffic platform, which is also available as a Nissan, a Vauxhall, a Fiat, several brands buy into the Renault traffic. It's proved so reliable, so economical to own, and such a great vehicle to drive, so it was an obvious choice for us. One of the key benefits of a pop-top camper van, as opposed to a big block of flats coachbuilt motorhome, is you can get under lots of height restrictions, because the roof's under 2.1 metres. As soon as you get to the campsite though, it pops up and gives you lots of room to stand in and lots of airspace. Just like that, the Paradise Deluxe has 4 or even 5 belted seats for travel, all facing forward and really comfortable. And once you're parked up, you can pop the table in the centre and the front seats will turn around to make a nice convivial lounge space, ideal for relaxing. Now come the night time, these 2 seats fold down either into 2 single beds at the flip of a lever, or with the addition of this central panel, it makes a king-size double the full width of the van. So that really is an excellent bed. I've enjoyed showing you around this Paradise Deluxe. There's so much more to show you as well. Why not come and see us at Sussex Campervans? We give you a proper tour, not just of the Deluxe, but of all our campervans. I could even take you around the workshops too if you'd like. Give us a call on 01403 336369 and we'll get you an appointment booked. Or you could email hello@sussexcampervans.com. That'd be great too. Look forward to seeing you soon, and let's see about getting you in your very own campervan.